I wonder how many people it pisses off that I park like this. With the handlebars, like...
Probably a lot.
Yeah, probably a lot.
Little fool! Little fool! That's what the fucking kick stands for.
Exactly. 2 idiots back in Grand Haven. Let's do it. No one can stop me. I'm all the way up. Well, it's been a while since I've been in Grand Haven, especially to do dumb shit. Not that I'm really gonna do a lot of dumb shit other than ride the bike slightly inconveniently to other people. Hey, you guys should like totally check out Macks channel too, because there's a lot more like exclusives on there since I didn't have my camera on me earlier. And he got some good clippage. Clear enough for me. Already back at it again. Welcome to the rich version of Muskegon with a Coast Guard base. Ooh, a G8, nice. With a nice Mustang too, nice. The fact that both of our bikes are probably illegal in every state, except for here, is even better. That makes it even better. We still have not found a scooter brother yet anywhere. I don't think we're ever gonna find a scooter brother anywhere, unfortunately. Scooter bro is a hoot. No, 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 don't slow. It's just a yellow, it means slow down, but not stop. Oh my god, I love it so much. I love it so much. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Chip. Oh, go ahead. She was probably there first anyway, but just to double check because it was close. Oh fuck, my scalp itches. Oh no. Oh no. My fucking head itches. I hate it when I'm wearing a helmet and my scalp itches. It's like the worst. We're by a hospital. We'd be fine to do dumb shit, right? So before you guys like give me too much shit for not dicking around with him like he is, remember, he doesn't have a license plate. I do. Not that having a license plate's ever stopped me from doing dumb things, but Grand Haven's a little bit more uptight about their stuff than where I am used to riding at, you know? That was fucking stupid. Why'd they almost stop on the hill? Ah. Ignore her. They're on cruisers. I'm too cool for them. He's got his rear-facing camera on, just so you guys know. That's why he's being over-dramatic. I like it how, like, back when he first had that bike, that was the sketchiest thing ever, was those pops, and now it's just like, hell yeah, do it more often. I would wager that if it was at night, you could probably see flames coming out of them. What's up, dude? I like making the people look at me, it's fun. You're not jumping it today?
You know why I pulled you over?
Is it because I have a gun?
Oh. What?
I don't, I'm kidding.
Whoa.
Or am I?
Maybe.
We'll find out. You got money on you? No, I don't.
Oh, you don't?
No, I really don't.
Why? What's the point?
For illegal reasons, I can't see it with the camera on.
Because you're gonna commit a felony?
Yeah. I'm surprised you didn't jump him like last year.
Huh?
I'm surprised you didn't jump it like last year off the fucking curb, you know? Oh, are you gonna do it?
Be right back.
Okay, I'm gonna rearrange my bike though.
Huh?
I'm gonna straighten out though.
I'm scared.
This fucking dude. Just don't die, okay? I hate that I gave him the idea. And now he has bike issues. What?
Something feels wrong with the bike.
Oh, nice.
It felt like it bogged down.
Oh, I got you.
Dude,
What?
this was not going to be a break fix video. Oh, that's hot. Why'd you make the dipstick all out of metal? That's literally every inch of it, you stupid fucking idiots. Fucking Honda, man. Those old ladies were probably like, that fucking door again.
Those fucking kids on the sidewalk again.
It's killed me. That's the issue with these days. They fly by.
I know.
It's already like.
And then we die.
Huh?
And then we die.
Yeah, Mike. Oops, my bad. Sorry, I'm not the po-po. I forgot the bike was on.
Oh. Harley people, I swear.
He heard you. He heard you. He knew. He fucking knew. I'm an editing professional. Wait, I gotta check to make sure that my mic works. Fuck shit ass!
Oh, fuck.
That was such a good clip.
Oh, this is such a chaotic fucking video that we're both gonna have from just random bullshit.
2 cameras are better than 1. Fuck you.
I'm just gonna.
Come on, you.
Why is he looking at us?
You're gay. You stupid bitch. Oh, he braked.
I was gonna say, he's probably coming over to talk to us now. He heard you yell at him.
You ain't public safety.
You're gonna get us like yelled at, dude.
Freedom of speech.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Recording the whole time. So.
Huh?
I've been recording the whole time. So.
Oh, is that your issue? Is that what you're trying to do?
What do you mean?
Internet clout.
We got to fight a cop. Get BLM on our side. Take down the police here. Build our own town. And shoot anybody that we don't like.
And then it's gonna turn to Oregon when they storm it, right?
No. Because we're siding with the current political party.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Big brain moment.
With 300 IQ. I don't know why he was staring at us. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that little interlude between the bullshit. He's following us. Nice. Oh no, it's an Equinox. We're safe. Well, would you look at that? It's water. There's fucking water out there, guys. Holy shite. Ah, sand. My fucking enemy. Fuck you. After you. I don't know. I'll follow you. Ooh, Monte Carlo.
Huh?
Car.
Or?
A core, yeah.
They're hitting their top speed right now. Oh god.
That cam says otherwise. That cam says otherwise.
It's a daily driver.